let's start our passage plan. So rename part I already show you. So and also frequently you need to save this option if you want to save, because normally if anything happen or any you are busy with any other job, so that frequently you can save it. If you forget to save, maybe after working for so long, maybe 3 and 4 hours after you forget to save and close this like this, then your data will be gone. So better frequently save the passage plan. After that we can start with the general information. We can write our ship's name, MSC number, call sign, and all this information, master name and voice details, all this from which port to which port we are going. And also here we have some auto calculation. We can calculate. Sometimes normally we give the distance to the master to calculate our next ETA. And suppose we can board to pilot station, and this is a departure time, this is arrival time from Eastern Boarding Ground Charlie, Singapore to Western Petroleum Anchorage Alpha. So our distance is around 1312 nautical mile, around 1312 nautical mile. So maybe captain can be asked how much the distance, we can immediately keep to the master. Here we have some draft information. We can put the draft throughout the passage plan. Maybe is there any draft changes that you can make, you can change also in the waypoint. So let's go to the waypoint. So in the waypoint, normally have each and every leg have some different information. All of the information you need to check one by one. You can put the name also for your reference. Different waypoint have some different name. Maybe on the OpenSea we don't put some name because no benefit. There is only just OpenSea. Also maybe here I put ISCOM. That means in this waypoint we need to send our ISCOM report, and also we are entering the ISCOM zone. I'll put in the description that what is ISCOM is all about in Malaysian area. After that, all these waypoints is over here. This position either you can put it also manually, also you can put, or maybe graphically also you can drag the waypoint so that automatically this position will come. Normally we graphically just to put it graphically. No, I do not find any second officer. Maybe in the previous time we put on the paper chart all this waypoint position in the one by one, and also maybe manually. Normally we just drag the waypoint as per our requirement so that our position come automatically. After that, all this bearing and distance coming out also automatically, and also have total distance, this one also come automatically. After that we have cross-track area. As per our company policy, the minimum cross-track area is 0.10 nautical mile, and after that here is the pilot station. After that we are already departure from the port, and this is just open sea. That's why we put a cross-track area around 0.50 nautical mile on port in starboard. Again we entering the Singapore Strait. That time it will be less, around Horsburgh Lighthouse we put around 0.20 nautical mile. Maybe we cannot go 0.20 also. There is very congested water and also very busy traffic area, so we cannot cross-track so much also. Maybe we need to keep on the track, or if for collision avoidance also you want to divert your course also, you can do as well. After that we have all this turn radius option. As our ship is not that much big enough, a oil and chemical tanker ship is normally a small type and handy type, so that our cross-track area is very less. Maybe it is, if it is a BLCC or ULCC, that time this cross-track area will be more. This is as per your all this turning circle and all this thing, all calculation comes into over here. So this turn radius also you can put manually and also automatically also come. After that have this remarks option. We can put some remarks for the navigator. That means for your OW, because you are the second officer, but you are not doing navigation watch all the time. You are doing only maybe 8 hours. Another 16 hours do the rest of the officer, or captain or chief officer or third officer, junior officer, whoever doing, they can get some information from here. So that how much the bridge was keeping level, position fixing interval, and all the cat joke area. Because normally during monitoring passes, that time we normally stop the cat joke option to declutter the information on the screen. So all they also have some UKC. This UKC basically is minimum UKC, the more minimum UKC on that particular leg. So this one also has calculation, UKC calculation on our computer. We do some calculation. After calculation we get this UKC. After that we have this draft option. In the draft option, it can be same. If it is same, suppose you want to change the draft like 5.6.5 or 3.5, 7.5, whatever it is. After changing, you just click on the right button, then fill cell down. It's all coming automatically. This one is so no need to put all these waypoint separately like 8.5, 8.5 like this. Just make changes on the one option, or maybe you can put it the downside also. Suppose this one 8.5, you can put like fill cells up. If fill cells up, that means all the option will up will be the suppose 12.5, fill cells up, this all will be 12.5, you see upside. So it's very easy and shortcut. After that squat also you can put manually or maybe automatically also it will come. UKC calculation, as I told you, this UKC also coming automatically, and also you can put manually also after your manual calculation. And this masthead, as per your ship's particular, like how much masthead height, you can put this one also manually, this data. After that, if you click on this OK button, all the masthead height will become. Overhead clearance, normally this voyage we do not need to cross any bridge or any height, any overhead clearance. We no need to do this overhead clearance this time, because there is no bridge during these passages. If you have any bridges during any passage, that time maybe you need to do this overhead clearance, because you need to go to the under the bridge. That time you need to get this overhead clearance. How much overhead clearance will be there to cross any bridge, because there are so many accidents happen when passing the bridge. So that time you need to do this calculation. Reference point, I already told you about the reference point before. All this information you can get from here. After that, bearing and distance, safety contour, safety depth, all this information also coming automatically, and also you can put manually also after calculating your manual calculation. Next we go to the schedule. On the schedule part have different ETA, and also same like waypoint name, and also have time zone. If you are in a same time zone, so there is no need to change on the waypoint. Maybe you are crossing different time zone or different country, that time you need to change this time zone. On the waypoint also you can change all this time zone on different, if you have different time zone. Or if it is same, then maybe you can just click on like this, change the, because we are in Singapore, Malaysia area is +8, so just apply and fill cells down like this. All this time zone will be selected. After that we have estimated departure time and time to go and total time speed. This here we normally update the time zone first. After that we update the speed first. Speed from where coming? As per our previous experience, we can get how much speed we want to make, or how much speed our maximum speed can be. We can put all this like when departure time, pilot station around 4 knot. After the full away, maybe we just stand by. After commercial seapages, it slowly will increase. We slowly will increase our RPM, so that it will be around 9 knot. After that we assume that around 12.2 knot or 12.5 knot like this. After again when we coming to near to the horseback lighthouse and near to the pilot station, eastern boarding ground Charlie, again 4 knot, because we need to slow down. Also that time we need to ask the Singapore pilot also how much speed we should maintain. So that time normally Singapore pilot or BTS give instruction that okay, please maintain 5 knot, please maintain 7 knot, or maybe please captain stop your engine. Depend upon pilot boarding area, depend upon different traffic separation flow, depend upon different traffic flow, and also boarding side, maybe starboard side, port side, whatever it will be there. After that again, after pilot boarding, again will be speed up, so around 7 knot, 10 knot, all this speed. On the schedule, the two important thing is our time zone and also the speed, because I'll show you one magic if you are new, that after we go to the voyage plan, from here go to the voyage plan and click this option, you see all this calculation come automatically. So no need to calculate all this estimated departure time or time to go, whatever, all this no need to do. All this ETA and all these options fill up automatically after filling up time zone and speed. Suppose if you do not put any speed, okay, let's see, speed becomes 0. So try to click on this button, okay, you see insufficient data to perform calculation, so no calculation coming. So this two information is really important to do this auto calculation. So that we check, like, okay, this one again 12. I just put 12.2, then we click again. Yeah, see, calculation completed. That means all the calculation done perfectly. So no need to worry about all this calculation. This all calculation will do automatically. So for these waypoint options are like this. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can write in the comment section below, so that I will try to give you answer.